Harvey Weinstein, Dominic Strauss-Kahn, and closer home, Tarun Tejpal. Powerful names, powerful people who rule their industries. But today, they are down, brought down by their own actions, which involve sexually harassing women far less powerful than themselves. Even with the start of the Me Too movement, and thousands coming out in the open, workplace sexual harassment continues to be one of the most underreported crimes the world over. Do not allow that to happen to you or to any of your colleagues or friends. This course on prevention of sexual harassment offers strategies to recognize and prevent sexual harassment and deal with it in the workplace. It contains 4 modules. Each one of them is presented through a series of scenarios. Click Next to get started with the first module. Sexual harassment at the workplace refers to inappropriate behaviors such as making physical contact or advances, demanding sexual favors, passing sexually colored remarks, displaying pornography or offensive pictures, any other unwelcome physical, verbal, or non-verbal conduct of a sexual nature, such as sending sexually suggestive messages via WhatsApp, SMS, email, etc. Workplace sexual harassment can be categorized into 2 types: quid pro quo and hostile work environment. Quid pro quo is commonly understood as this for that, and it happens when employment-related decisions like work assignments, salary hike, promotions or performance appraisals are based on whether the employee agrees or disagrees to sexual favors. Hostile work environment refers to a threatening or offensive work environment created for the individual. It's time for a quick exercise. Given here is a scenario followed by 2 questions. Read the scenario carefully and select your responses. Click Go when you are done. We are at the end of this short course on sexual harassment. Click the PDF icon to download the key points covered here.